Quick cough video. So, hacky cough, can't get rid of it. It's been weeks, got a little bit of drainage. I think most coughs come from postnasal drip. So, Panaris, it's got some iodine in it, which is great, but it also has surfactants in it that have come in natural oils. So, we're going to help clear out whatever is up in that nose, and it's going to take a milliliter of the Panaris. You find yourself Nasacort. Nasacort reduces inflammation. If there's inflammation in the sinus passageways, it's always going to be draining. We want to reduce that. We add 1 milliliter to that solution. Now, shake that bad boy up, 2 sprays each side twice a day. Reduces inflammation, reduces the snot load, and thins the snot out so then the back of the throat isn't always inundated with crap running down it. And if you can fix that, the cough goes away. Add one more thing to your mix. Use the benzocaine sprays. 2 sprays about every hour and a half, every time it gets a little bit irritated. Then you won't scratch up that throat, you won't have to continue to cough. Good down to the age of 2, good down to the age of 2, and good down to the age of 2. That was free dancing at the end because I had some time.